Hello guys, I'm Harlan Kurtz. To tell you in this tutorials how to go for your Gmail recovery or how to rescue your Gmail. In a case you have lost your Gmail password, now you are unable to access. Why? Because you don't have the recovery email and recovery phone number so that you can reset. Or in a case someone who has stolen your Gmail password, hijacked, hacked, in that condition, what kind of the strategies we will have to execute to reset or recover or get it back. We will see in this tutorial live. What are the alternative approach we can approach and how easily it can be recovered. We will see all the practicals experience here. Right now, see guys here. This idea has been recommended by one viewer because who has lost his device due to that he is unable to reset the password. He doesn't have the recovery email and recovery phone so that he can reset also. So now what are the alternative way we will try. See here, we don't have a password, so just we will go for alternative, that is a forgot password. Fine. Now we don't have a phone number guys, so we can reset. So here tap on a, especially I don't have a phone number, otherwise you can go for continue. Now it's a thing so that I did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is really mine. So the Google will ask for this information or info to keep your account secure. So how do I recover it? Yes, this can be the two. Yes, you can recover your accounts, try and answer his questions also, but where do we have to answer? One thing that I would like to tell you is by the providing sufficient information, of course you can recover in this area. Now, see, if your account is managed with the family links, we have to send to the email to the prevents to change your password. So it means to try again multiple times. If you do, then one option would be open so that Google will contact you and there by different email with proof documents, of course identity. You can email and after 48 hours on the basis of that you have a submitted document, yes, Google will give you an opportunity to reset. But if that identity doesn't match with this, especially particular ID, then Google will not give you. So what are the alternative approach then? Of course, can I get a third opportunity or fourth opportunity or second opportunity? Yes, this can be possible guys. How it is? Just we will tap on it here. We will have to come in a Play Store guys. In Play Store, of course, we will have to download one browser. That's a very browser. Of course, scarcely it's a 3 MB total size or capacity. So now here, what we will do here, just to wait for installation. So it is installing. On the other hand, we have two chances to check it out. Just we will come in especially Google browser. Of course, we will have to tap on this icon, and after coming here, just we will come in a notification. Check it out. If it is already blocked, that's okay. If it is not, then we will have to block these notifications. It's already blocked, so because I have been recovering multiple especially why especially I'm in this device, so that's why in a permission, of course, we will go for in a navigate the location guys, make the precise location off. So how would I precise location off? We will click firstly allow. When we will click allow, then you can check it out that use the precise location. Check it out. If it is enabled, then we will have to make it disable, and thereupon we will have to click here don't allow anyway. So fine, so this work has been finished. Now we have another browser that's also especially parts of especially our product of Google. So of course we will go for hold it, we will come in app info, tap on it, and upon of course notification is already blocked, but of course if you would like to see or experience with the practical, then just make it disable, and upon of course we will go for back. And here one thing is very important, so that we will have to come in a location there is not allowed, but of course check it out that if free permission and the free option this species especially we will have to block, so make it disable, and upon we will go for here accounts recovery. In account recovery, check it out, you will have allow, so precise location, you will have enable, so make it disable guys, and then we will click here don't allow anyway, show no device longer phones and intent it is notifying. So fine, we will go for time being, and the upon of course here now we will have to back one more time guys. Now one thing here, in a default center you can check it out in that especially browser app. The browser apps and there is especially very browser select. So first we will have to fix this one and the phone get it back. Now yes, we will go for back. Yes, get it. And just we will come especially very browser. Now we will have to open it. And upon of course here, check it out. We will go in a Google Code.in. So let's tap on a search bar Google Code.in. So right here, Google, and coming the Google Code, just simply we will come on here, and here what we will do guys here, just we will click on Google Help. So here we can type, that will be useful. So Google Help, just we will write by this browser. Of course we will go for here, and upon we will tap on it here. It's related to inquiry of the Gmail, so we will have to pick the here Gmail, this one's files, and after here we will go for here what kind of option they shows. Yes, we are unable to sign into Gmail account, so we will pick so this one. So now of course I'm suspecting, I doubt on that someone else is using my accounts, that's why I'm unable to, so just we will pick so this one. I think someone else is using fine. Now we will go for here to help with the secure my accounts guys. So I have picked this ones. Now we will come on especially review my account activities recently. Now we have a yes, it is that find out if your account has been hacked. We will pick this one, and upon here what we will have to guys here, we'll back, and first we'll back, and here is a secure my account. So tap on it, and after tapping here we will have to type in this particular Gmail, that is especially of course happy to. Yes, we will pick so then, and we will have to go for next. So if I tap on here next, so then what's the thing, so that it's also still asking password. Don't worry guys, of course here now here is asking so the phone number directly. Yes, can I get an opportunity? Yes, it is. More tips to recover your account. So this link I have got in here means most probably of course that we can recover this account. How it is possible guys? Yes, this can be. Don't click on a try again, otherwise of course Google will trace or verifies that it's not you, because of that's why you are trying to recover these accounts by a different browser. So more tips to recover can I have? Yes, but of course by a different way. So we will have to cut it from here. And upon where can I approach this? So we will have to come in happiness setting guys. Now this is the most crucial step that we will have to execute. We will have to come in especially Google service. Let's see. Now we will come in especially tap on a three dot. We will pick these help options, and when picking on a help option guys, once again let it check it out. Yes, tap on a help options. Now we are on here simply in a search bar help, you will have to explain the actual reason. So if it is hacked, then you will have to select right here hacked, but it is a lost or a stolen device case. So of course we will pick some this one. So now it is a stolen and device especially lost case, so just we will pick this one. Now common of course this kind of issues, and now what we will have to do here, yes, we will come in especially account recover this page. You will have option guys. Let's have the account recover page. On account recover page, now what we will have, see especially steps to the complete recovery and the try against to the complete of this one. We will pick this one guys. This option will be very helpful. Now we will come on a recovery page guys, and here nothing, just we will have to guys here by picking stations right here this ID particular, and what we will do guys here, simply see how easily this can be. Just simply here now we will have to tap on a next, and see here what will happen if I click on a next. Check it out, see now directly, see here we are here. What you will do now, nothing, you will have to click on it quickly on a continue, otherwise you will be trapped in it's verify your options. So what I should do here, we will have to smartly click on a change the password, because if I go for continue, then what will happen guys, it's verify your option would be open there via alternative email, alternative recovery phone number, their OTP would be generated, and the hacker, everything has been hacked. So in that condition what will happen, so guys here simply you won't be able to and this hacker the particular will understand that and quickly get it that of course someone is changing trying to do something on a especially unethicals, especially on this email. So quickly here, firstly we will have to change the password. So when OTP would be generated or anything, so then quickly firstly we had of course to change these things. So change on that, write a new password, confirm a new password, go for change it, and after changing guys particular, what we will do, tap on this and we will go for Gmail management. In there especially you will have to go in the security center and the change your, firstly check it out that where is the blanks, email is added as a recovery, phone number is added as a recovery. If the phone number is added, then go for second alternative to add there. Third ones of course to go for add their email, that is of course alternative email, so that after changing whenever you would like to change, especially recovery, uh, anyone who has a hacked, then of course easily you can change the password anytime. You can secure two verifications, and anytime that recovery email that had added by a hacker or the someone else, yes, that you can remove it by getting an alternative, yes, phone number and of course emails. So how do you like this tutorial guys? How easily this can be recovered? So this is all about that. This is only for institution purpose. Don't misuse the tracks and Google Helps updated guides. Now, yes, if it is informative and of course shareable this tutorial, then share anyone who is facing this kind of challenges, then of course they can recover, they can reset, they can save their data, either it is a photos, any data, MS, PDFs, anything, so guys, they can quickly, and in case of having this as well, challenges that lost, hacked, and of course they can address this kind of issues, guys. And of course you are unable to, then if you would like to your email ID, you would like to keep it in the public domain, then of course drop your email below the query or comments box. I will pick one and of course we will reset and I will deliver it to. Right now on our live screen, so we cannot create this strong password because it will be in a public domain and this will be privacy the concern of my viewer. So that's why here, yes, after screen note of course we will generate, and then I have to deliver to it. So this is all about guys. Thank you very much in that. Have a great time guys. Bye bye.